my beautiful friends, my name is Anna. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple, delicious fruit parfait. I feel like this is one of those things that people usually buy from the store, but they never make it at home, even though it's incredibly easy to make. I know my mom is one of them. They usually buys her parfaits at the store when you can literally make it at home. So much cheaper and way more delicious. You know, the fruit is freshly cut. Not like the ones that they have there standing there for hours and maybe days. So very simple. This is probably my main breakfast every morning because you can make it ahead of time and you can have it ready. It's perfect for meal prep. It's just delicious, okay? I'm going to show you what you're going to need. Of course, it's going to vary depending on the things that you like, but very simple. Let me show you the ingredients very quickly so we can put this whole thing together. You're going to need, of course, one of the main ingredients, some yogurt. And this is some whole milk vanilla yogurt. You can use whichever type of yogurt you like, honestly. You're going to need some granola. This is my homemade granola mix. I already have a recipe on the channel here for it. Very, very healthy, has very little sugar, not like usual store-bought granola, which has tons and tons of sugar. You're going to need some fresh fruit. I'm using an array of fruits. As you can see, I have some freshly seasonal and delicious sweet mangoes, some kiwis, which are also in season. I also have some blueberries, strawberries, which were surprisingly very sweet. I wouldn't really consider this a recipe because everything depends on what you like. The yogurt, it's what yogurt you like, the fruits, what fruits you like to use. You're also the type of granola, whichever granola you like to use. So it's not really a recipe, but it's one of those things that people don't usually make at home. I don't know why, because it's just so simple to make. And it's perfect if you have a lot of people over for brunch or breakfast, even for dessert. I'm getting a little ahead of myself here, but for Mother's Day, great. I like to serve it either in a water goblet or a little glass. This is a dessert cup that has a little stem. I think it looks very fancy and just sophisticated and very nice, but regular cup would be fine, a little bowl, whatever it is. So to start, I'm going to add some yogurt to the bottom of my cup here. Okay, a few tablespoons. Generous amount. I'm going to add some fruit, and I didn't add anything to my fruit. I know some people like to add a little bit of sugar. I just think the fruit is very sweet as it is. It definitely doesn't need anything else. So, but if you like to sprinkle a little bit of sugar in there, go ahead and do so. I think just the fruit itself is sweet enough for me, so I don't add it. Now we're going to add a little bit of granola right on top. I like to push it down a little bit. Okay, we top it off with some more yogurt, a little more fruit right on top. And I like to take it very high all the way up to the rim and sprinkle a little more of granola on top. Just like so. You can also drizzle a little bit of honey, but as you can see, look at that. Doesn't that look absolutely fantastic? And you know me, I'm gonna dig right in because why wouldn't you? This is just so perfect and delicious. So I'm gonna go all the way down. I want a little bit of fruit. I want a little bit of yogurt. I want a little bit of granola. I'm just greedy like that. Not really, but I love food. Honestly, it's just perfection. You have the crunchiness from that granola. You got the sweetness from the fruit. You got the yogurt, which is nice and creamy. The only thing I recommend is that you use some seasonal fruit so they're nice and sweet, so you don't have to add any more sugar to it. Very healthy breakfast, very delicious. Makes great as a dessert. Like I said, I want to make sure that it doesn't fall. So, like I said, not really a recipe, just a very delicious thing that you can put together in a matter of seconds. Everyone, I haven't met one person that doesn't like fruit parfait because it's just very delicious. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I'm going to, in the description box, I'm going to leave the link to my website where you can find the quantities I use for everything. Like I said, not really a recipe, but if you want to know what I used to make it, it's gonna be there for you. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.